you want to see me do it.
Yeah. Proof's in the pudding, man. Maybe you're just doing some smoke and mirror kind of thing over there.
Okay, I applied. I just went like, you know, I went through I got a whole video. I applied. And it's so easy. Let it sit for a minute or two.
I have a video of State Street Park. And so the contractor came out in a suit, and then he had his painter there. So here's this guy in a suit, sprays our cleaner on there, the paint just starts dripping off the wall, and he just wipes it off.
We got hit hard a couple weeks ago there, but the janitors cleaned up before I got there.
Yeah, that building's covered, man. I mean, it's been tested. It's done.
See, this is how it applies. I mean, this is how it cleans off. This guy did a good spray job because he has no runs. Usually if there's runs, you know, on the bottom, if they're too close and the taggers did a good job, then those are a little tougher. You might have to apply twice because those little drops at the end are kind of thick, and when they dry, it's tougher. So now I go back to just wiping this clean.
Look at that.
And the graffiti is gone.
I'm here at 122 State Street in San Francisco. This is a brand new restroom that was built. The contractor is here with me. This building's been graffitied twice. This is the third graffiti on this building. He put our Quick Seal Enhance and then our anti-graffiti coat on this wall. So what he's going to do now is he's going to take our step 3 graffiti remover and he's going to get the graffiti off of the wall. All right, go ahead, Luke. So all he has to do is just spray it on the surface. You can already see that was a Sharpie marker that they used. So he's going to take a terry towel and he's going to wipe off the graffiti. And it's that simple. Now before he turns over the building, he has no worries that he's struggling to get the graffiti out of this. And this one was an unpainted concrete wall. So now after he wipes off the graffiti, he's just going to take a spray bottle of clear water and he's going to rinse the graffiti cleaner off. And take a fresh towel and just wipe it down, and in less than 2 minutes he's gotten the graffiti off of this wall, and his frustration of having to wait and turn the building over is finished. So we're out here again at 122 State Street. I have another contractor here. We're showing the graffiti removal. So he's just spraying that's good enough right there. Spraying the step 3 graffiti remover product. He's going to wipe it off with the terry. We won't have any bleeding into the concrete surface, which normally that would just be toast.
Oh, this is nice.
And now he'll grab the spray bottle of water and he'll just rinse off the graffiti remover. And we're not even 30 seconds into this. And he'll wipe it off with the terry towel. And that's how you get graffiti off of a concrete surface that hasn't been painted, only coated with our anti-graffiti coat. So what do you think?
Well, it smells nice. and it did a great job.
All right, thanks.